what?
And then turn the key.
How far?
Just turn it.
Now what?
And then you're gonna push this down. Nothing.
Where should I go?
No. And turn it on. Put it down. Okay, cool. So whenever the blades are going, don't go in reverse. Only go straight.
So this.
As you can see, our grass was so overgrown. It was like 2-3 feet in some places, and we just didn't have a mower to mow. We had a little push mower that we used to mow our tiny little yard, but we got this John Deere, I think it's the S100, and it works great. Now the belt fell off of it after a few months of use, and we already replaced it. So go check out that YouTube video. It was super simple. I did it in like 20 minutes maybe. But the mower cut the 2 to 3 foot tall grass really easy, and it's been a great mower so far. So check it out. Of course, this isn't sponsored or anything, but I appreciate y'all watching this video and supporting the channel. Hit that subscribe button and comment the tallest that your grass has ever been before you mowed it or weed eated it. Anyways, thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all out there.